Let's organize this mess with this. So I am going to, and I just put some rhinestones on it, big ones and medium sized ones. And I'm just going to now organize it with my other beads. So this is what I made with foam board, and I decorated it with, or covered it with, vinyl adhesive, and I placed rhinestones on it, large and medium sized rhinestones. I guess you would call them, you know, glass flat beads. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is a piece of cardboard that I used to make this nice little shelf. This is how the cardboard came. I didn't manipulate it in any way, shape, or form. That's the way it came. You can see it right there. I decorated it with dollar store fabric. I cut it to fit, and then I used hot glue to adhere it to the cardboard. And because I have these itty bitty little containers that I used to store my special little beads, I found that they fit perfectly into them. And you know, I hate throwing away cardboard. I hate throwing away cardboard. Cardboard, I just love cardboard, I'm telling you. So I used it to make this nice little shelf. Oh, my Jamaican accent just came out, little. Anyway, and then you have all my glass beads here. All these, I shouldn't say glass beads, I mean my glass containers that hold my beads, eyelets, rivets, all these things that I have here. So anyway, I don't just love organizing, I love to make other things too. I love to make jewelry. Okay, these are glass salt and pepper shakers I purchased from a dollar store. Obviously, I use them because I can see right through them, so I can easily find what I want, right? Okay, this one holds my rivets. I can just pour it out and take out the amount I want, right? Put it back. This one holds all my pins, like my hat pins, things like that. And I do not remove the filter because I can just pour it out like this and I get what I want, right? All come out. They hit the hole and they come out. Okay, and I can take as many as I want. I don't have 50,000 coming out at me at one time. Okay, and that is the reason why I don't take the filter off of this one. So these dollar store glass containers, salt and pepper containers, come in very handy. They're very useful. Okay. These little glass containers, the salt and sugar.
Blah, 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 blah. These little salt and pepper shakers are wonderful. As you can see right through them, right? It's so you know what's there. The thing about this one is, all the other ones with the beads, I take off, I remove these, what would you call them? Little, I'll twist it again. Okay, I better hide, I just realized it's a good thing I saw. These salt and pepper shakers are wonderful because you can see right through them and you know what's inside. Now, when I put beads in here, I remove the flattened part with the holes. I remove them, right? But with this one, I don't. Because I use this one in particular for my hat, what do you call it now? Oh my gosh, Carlene.